How's it going, YouTube? Today we are going to be working on the Honda. We got some parts in today. We got the intercooler and piping from 1320. Hopefully you guys like the video, enjoy, subscribe. I'm going to show you guys what parts we got with the kit. Alright, cool. So here is the intercooler from 1320. Good 3 inches of cooling air. And then we got the piping, obviously, with some of the clamps and couplers. So this is 3 inches with, I believe, a 50 millimeter blow-off valve. And then we got the 2.5 inch turbo side. And then we got the 3 inch intake side, so cold side. All right, so we got the intercooler right here, which I am going to need to get my crash bar cut or just get mounts custom for the intercooler. Because since this intercooler is pretty big, I'm gonna have to figure out some mounting tabs for it. But this side of the piping, the 2.5 inch, should be fine. I don't think I need to cut anything on this side of the frame. Everything should fit up perfectly fine. The only concern that I do have is that the piping is super close to the exhaust, so I might have to wrap that tube on the exhaust manifold. But this side's fitting up pretty good. Obviously that on the intake manifold's fine. The only thing I do have to do is cut the side of the frame right here about 1 inch. With the grinder, I was doing it a little bit, but gave up because it died. Cool, we got the grinding wheel on it. Just clean up those edges. They are pretty sharp, so let's clean it up. Alright, cool. Now I don't want this stuff to rust, so I got some primer. And I'm just going to Spray it real quick. Cool. So now that should be good. It's all coated. It's a primer so it won't rust. Get a little couple more on there. We'll let that dry and then we'll put on the pipes. Alright, cool. So just a couple days after I got the intercooler installed, I wanted to try and mock up the bumper, but I was noticing that I should drop the intercooler maybe about 3 inches, but I want to keep it like that for now. Because on this side, it actually lines up pretty good on this side with the turbo and everything. So I got this side all lined up perfectly fine. But on this side, there's still a big gap, which I'm thinking of just getting a bigger coupler or extending that. But yeah, so let me show you guys what I'm gonna try and mock up the bumper. This is about as far as I could go. So you gotta do a lot of trimming on it. But we should be able to fit it if we cut it right. If you guys stuck to the end of the video, thank you. Please leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment on what you guys want to see next on the Honda. I will be having more videos coming out with this car. My next video probably gonna be my fuel system, because I do need to get my fuel system done still on the Honda. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys later. Peace out.